Hey everyone, need a free and powerful tool for meetings, chatting, and collaboration? Look no further than Microsoft Teams. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and set up Microsoft Teams for free on your PC. Let's get started and get you connected. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. If you're unsure how to find it, simply type Microsoft Store in the search bar of your Start menu. In the search bar of the Microsoft Store, type Microsoft Teams. This will bring up the official Microsoft Teams app in the results. Click on the first app that appears. Tap on the install button to start the download. Don't worry, it's completely free to download and use. Be patient as the app installs. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Now's a good time to grab a coffee or check out one of my other tutorials. Once the installation is complete, click on the Microsoft Teams app to open it. On the welcome screen, click on Continue to move forward with setting up your account. That's it, you've successfully installed Microsoft Teams. From here, you can join or host meetings, chat with colleagues or friends, share and receive files, and much more. Why use Microsoft Teams? Seamless communication, chat, call, and video conference all in one app. Collaboration tools, share and edit files in real time. Free to use, perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay connected.